very liquidy substance we're gonna be adding, and this is a very big tip because we want those mango chunks to get through. But there are these little silicone toppers that you can put, well, first you gotta put your tip in your bag, and this is just a disposable piping bag. So you cut the end off because they come with, because you could use different size tips.
Oh, right.
So
you
I just cut it to that size.
Okay.
I put my tip in there, so my bag is ready to fill when the mango's ready. But this is pretty liquidy, and if I just were to put that in, it would go and we don't want that.
That's what I would do. So, I would totally do that. I'm gonna be really frustrated and like, kiwi!
And it's also really challenging to try and hold your finger over top of that and be like, I'm gonna fill and hold my finger over that and not get it everywhere. But they've invented these little silicone tips, which are awesome. I think these ones came from Wilton.
Okay,
so
I say the smart people that know these things.
Yeah, exactly. No. So Wilton, you want to sponsor us? Awesome. Right. But I believe these are Wilton ones. They come in for little tips like this and also for the bigger ones. And you just swoosh them on. And then now I can fill my bag.
Is like an official word, right? Swoosh.
Swoosh, yeah.
Swoosh.
Swoosh.
Okay.
Yeah, swoosh.
Swoosh it.
Maybe my kids invented it. I don't know.
Probably.
So just secure it on there, and it will fill up, of course, the little bottom of it. And when we get to filling these, we will have to work with gravity on that as far as, you know, lift it up so it doesn't dribble out once we've got the tip off. So it is a little bit messy, but you'll see in a little bit.
All right.